Hey everybody, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making vegan no-tuna salad. Yep, notifications. That little bell you heard was not an angel getting their wings. Unfortunately, I forgot to shut notifications off on my phone. Anyway, that's what happens. It's a one-man show here. So today we're going to be making vegan no-tuna salad. So there's not going to be any tuna involved. So you will never have to say sorry to Charlie ever again. And if you get that reference, guess what? You might have a little gray hair like myself. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. Dice the onion, carrot, and celery. Finely chop the nori sheet. Put the chickpeas in apple cider vinegar in a large mixing bowl and mash them. The name chickpea comes from the Latin word cicer, referring to the plant family of legumes Fabaceae. It is also known by its popular Spanish-derived name, the garbanzo bean. And if I completely butcher these pronunciations, please have mercy on my soul. Add the mustard, relish, nori, onions, carrots, celery, vegan mayo, salt, black pepper, and stir to combine. Congrats, you just made vegan no-tuna salad. Delicious. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bon appetit.